Ladies and gentlemen, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, man, I'm going to be reviewing the Modern Warfare 2 trailer and talking about all the things that it's going to have. I'm not cool enough to be invited to go to the actual event for it like all the other YouTubers were, so I didn't actually get to play it or anything like that. You know, Call of Duty, just call me next time, man. Like, please. But anyways, the trailer is here for everybody. So yeah, if you guys haven't already seen the trailer, we're going to watch it right now. I already watched it a few times because, well, you know, I actually just finished my last day of high school today, junior year, so I still have another painful year of that never-ending hellhole. It is nice to get the Modern Warfare 2 trailer on my last day. So anyways, oh, that right there, ACR. I don't know if it's confirmed, but I'm pretty sure the AR that's falling out of our boy's hand is indeed the ACR, which will be dope. Like, when I first watched this, I was so confused because it's all upside down. I was like, what is happening? But yeah, that's like a mission from the campaign. High Rise, map from Modern Warfare 2. So most of this campaign trailer is all from the, not this campaign, most of the trailer is all from the campaign, which is really interesting to see they went through that route this time. Task Force 141, absolutely goated. I can't wait to play as them. If you pre-order it, you get the all the skins from them as well, which I did shamelessly. Good old Captain Price going in strong. It's so dope, dude. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know why they played Mexican music the whole time. Personally, I don't really vibe with it, but you know, it's still dope. Lots of killing going on. I mean, this looks dope, dude. The campaign looks awesome, bro. People were shitting on the graphics. I think the graphics look great. Way better than Vanguard, in my opinion, but anything is, to be honest.
Russia or us.
This part is my favorite by far. This dude's just watching the helicopter go down. What a G. Good old going in the dark. That was a huge thing in Modern Warfare 2019. All the night vision missions. I am going to make a campaign video on Modern Warfare 2019 soon. I never did one, so yeah. It's so sick, dude. Honestly, I feel like if they went to a route different than, you know, Mexican themed, I'm not like shitting on, you know, Mexico or anything.
To the open beta.
But yeah, I feel like if they went on a different route that wasn't towards like a Mexican themed, I'm not saying it's bad, but I feel like more people would enjoy it. You know, I'm kind of getting tired of all these games like being based around Mexico because, you know, Forza, the new one, was as well. So that's a bit annoying. But yeah, overall, trailer is dope. You guys can go watch it in the link in the description. I think it's, honestly, rewatching it, it's growing on me. Before I was like, this is kind of lame, but it is kind of growing on me. So now we're going to go look at Twitter, the godforsaken place where all the most high quality and correct information is. And our boy, Charlie Intel. This man is a G. He has all the information on Modern Warfare 2. I think he's tweeted like probably 30 times in the past hour. So yeah, it's available October 20th if you guys didn't know. Modern Warfare 2, campaign, multiplayer, special ops, no one cares about. Warzone 2.0. If you guys didn't know, Modern Warfare 2 is bringing on Warzone 2, which is a completely different Warzone experience as far as I know. All your loadouts, like all the guns and everything, are going to be wiped, and it's going to be restarting on Modern Warfare 2. Now, I think that is the perfect thing to do, because we really don't need 4 different games of guns in one battle royale. That is just too much. So I really like how they're doing that, and hopefully they'll do that every time they have a new game. I hope. I don't really like how there's crossing over of like Cold War, Vanguard, and Modern Warfare. I feel like that's a bit cancerous, if you will. But yeah, there's also a sandbox mode, which is going to be interesting. I feel like that's probably going to flop. I mean, we saw what happened with Battlefield, and it's just like, I don't know if that's really necessary, but you know, you go for it, champ. You got 2 years of this game, so you better make it good. And of course, free post-launch content. I mean, nowadays, what kind of content isn't free post-launch, but what do I know? So yeah, all these images right here were all from the Warzone 2 map, which it looks like Verdansk. It looks a lot like Verdansk, which I think that's what they're aiming for now that they saw what happened with Caldera. I think that's dope. I'm pretty sure when this game comes out, there's like 2 different game modes. I gotta find it. Okay, here it is. That's the ACR, 100%. That is the ACR, I guarantee you it. Hopefully it is, and that's just not taken out of context. This was crazy. Call of Duty has generated over $30 billion in revenue. That is insane. It's actually nuts. Like, that's fucking crazy. $30 billion. That's like more than like anything anyone will ever make unless you're Elon Musk. A lot of people are saying this is High Rise, which is one of the iconic maps of Call of Duty. This is literally going to be like downtown from Verdansk. I can't wait for that, bro. I actually can't wait to jump in here in Warzone 2. The way they're building the new Warzone map is going to be like what they did originally with Modern Warfare and Verdansk, where they're going to take all the maps from like the core gameplay and just like mush them all together, which I think is the best way to do it, because like Caldera is just so random. No one knows where anything is. It's just random ass places, which is why no one plays it, because it's just pointless. It's stupid. So yeah, I really like how they're doing that. That's gonna be awesome. It was a little bit weird though. They're making every single version $70 and up for the like the base edition, which is kind of like, come on, man. You're already making billions of dollars. Do you really need a few billion more? But you know, it is what it is. Oh yeah, they also are adding in water in swimming, which is just, it's going to be interesting. I feel like no one's really going to do that, but I mean, I don't really see myself voluntarily jumping into water in Call of Duty and swimming around for fun. But, you know, it could be a cool challenge to do, like swim only or something stupid like that in the future. Spec Ops. There's a new mode called DMZ, which I feel like that's not going to come out until like the second year of content, because it hasn't been, nothing's been shared on it by Call of Duty. So I feel like that's going to be a very far in the future thing, which could be kind of cool to like spice it up a little bit when we're a little dry. Oh yeah, if you pre-order it, the Vault Edition, which is what I did because I'm dead inside, you get like a whole Red Team 141 operator pack and all that crap. I'm gonna make a video on that probably in both channels soon. Actually, probably tomorrow, to be honest with you. I'm trying to find this fucking thing. Oh, there it is. Okay. Multiplayer in Modern Warfare 2 features 2 key styles of play: battle maps and core maps. So this is what I was talking about with like the maps in Warzone 2 and all that. Battle maps are large-scale maps, while core maps are built exclusively for 6v6. The battle maps will be the new POIs for the Warzone map, which is, that's great. That's perfect. And then core maps will take place in locations around the world, which is also pretty cool. I feel like that's something they should do. Like, I don't know, with Vanguard, it's like they just completely missed it with Vanguard, dude. They choked so fucking hard. Like, looking back on Vanguard and how it relates to Caldera compared to Modern Warfare and Verdansk, it's like a completely different game. Modern Warfare and Verdansk were literally built for each other, which is the best way to do it. It's been proven. It's just better. So yeah, I really hope they do it like that again. There's nothing wrong with doing the same thing over and over again, okay? Nothing wrong with it. Oh yeah, there's like a new vehicle feature where you can literally just fucking blow up tires and doors and all that, which is going to be really interesting. It reminds me a lot of Fortnite and the fact that you can go to like gas stations and repair stuff, which is, it's interesting, you know, something for the casuals to do when they're running away from me. That's probably going to be a miss, if we're being honest. I don't think too many people are going to be too worried about that. Lots of new like character movements for the Modern Warfare, or not for Modern Warfare, multiplayer. Like, honestly, it's cool and all, but like, do we really need all this new stuff? I mean, if we could just make it like a fun game, I don't think we really need to dive, ledge hang, sliding, swimming. It's just like, it's so much. I understand they kind of have to, because they've been making these games for 20 years. And, you know, you gotta improve a little bit eventually, but you don't have to. You can, you don't have to. So hopefully those don't suck. I mean, I feel like it could be kind of cool to ledge hang, but what would be cool if you could like bend over, like go upside down and shoot. That would be kind of dope. The gunsmith they're going crazy with the gunsmith. I heard there's like 70 attachments on each gun, which is, it's cancer. That is the definition of testicular AIDS. 70 attachments on a gun? Are you fucking high? You're actually high right now. That's crazy. And apparently you can go in and tweak all of them. Like, bro, it's these gun setup videos are gonna be crazy. Like, Swag about to make like 15 gun videos on one gun. It's gonna be unreal. Anyways, that's all for me. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.